Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Sunday, the 14th of March 2021, and we're publishing the 15th episode in our Bitcoin versus Gold and Silver series. In today's episode, we look at another record high for Bitcoin, following the passing of Biden's $1.9 trillion stimulus package, and also the rise of alternative cryptocurrencies, and especially one heralded with mockery, Dogecoin. So let's take a look. Now, before we look at Bitcoin's continual rise, just a quick summary of our previous 14 episodes. In 1, we explained why we launched this series and why people found Bitcoin attractive. In 2, we confirmed the size of the equity and gold and silver markets and compared them with Bitcoin's capitalization value, which was considerably lower when we first started than it is now. In 3, we highlighted a non-exhaustive list of the disadvantages of Bitcoin. In 4, we highlighted those fund investors, including Skybridge Capital's creation of a new Bitcoin fund. In 5, we looked at the intrinsic value of gold and silver compared with the intrinsic value of Bitcoin. In 6, YouTube and Google influencers on the investment community's impact on Bitcoin's price. In 7, we looked at $11,000 fall in Bitcoin's price and argued why it will recover quickly. In 8, we looked at how the shortage of microchips could affect the ability to mine more Bitcoin. In 9, we looked at the likelihood of the Reddit Robinhood short squeeze agents targeting Bitcoin. In 10, we highlighted Ray Dalio's Bridgewater Associates, who have also now started investing in Bitcoin, and predictions that Bitcoin's price could in fact rise to $85,000. In 11, we talked about Morgan Stanley, Deutsche Bank, ARK Investments, and BNY Mellon, why they were all investing in Bitcoin or Bitcoin-related services. In 12, we looked at the future direction of Bitcoin, gold, and silver. And then in 13, we highlighted that virtually all asset classes that week were falling and which were likely to improve the most in the forthcoming months. And in 14, we compared gold and silver's weakness with Bitcoin's robustness and concluded that Bitcoin still has further to rise, while gold and silver may at best consolidate, at least for now. Well, this past week we've seen Bitcoin prices move to ever-increasing highs. And even today, at the time of writing, Bitcoin is standing at $60,480, having reached $61,556 just a few hours ago. Bitcoin's capitalization has now not only surpassed $1 trillion, it's now roughly $1.2 trillion. And as we've stated previously, we still hold the view it has further to go. There are indicators, however, suggesting that its rise may be running out of steam, especially those who follow the technicals, in that the 14-week average strength index, known as the RSI, which indicates momentum, is providing a bearish divergence, suggesting uptrend fatigue and also the possibility of a bull market correction. That said, though, with its price tripling since the end of last year, it continues to be propelled by a mix of criteria and investment activity. We've already mentioned, back in February, Elon Musk revealed that his electric car maker Tesla had bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin and would be accepting it as payment for its cars in the future. MasterCard also plans to accept certain cryptocurrencies as a form of payment, while BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, is exploring ways it can use the digital currency. And the COVID-19 pandemic has also played its part in Bitcoin's price rise, as more people go online for shopping, moving further away from physical coins and notes. And of course, as the title suggests, the Biden's $1.9 trillion stimulus package, which was passed last week, has also raised the prospect of further dollar devaluation, and Bitcoin is certainly becoming a beneficiary from this fear of devaluation. Now, that said, an interesting article also popped up on Forbes yesterday. Let's just take a brief look at that. Forbes article dated March 13th, 2021. Headline: As the Bitcoin price blasts through $60,000, Tesla billionaire Elon Musk is more concerned with joke Bitcoin rival Dogecoin. Bitcoin has broken through the $60,000 level amid a huge bull run, partly fueled by Tesla's billionaire Elon Musk, despite warnings from fellow billionaire Bill Gates. The Bitcoin price broke through the psychological barrier early on Saturday morning, returning to its blistering early 2021 bull market after taking a breather over recent weeks. Ahead of Bitcoin's surge over $60,000, Tesla chief executive Elon Musk, who has been known to move the Bitcoin price with his tweets, called on the popular Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase to support the meme-based Dogecoin. Quote, "Do you think Coinbase should enable Dogecoin on their platform?" Unquote, a Twitter user asked in response to Musk tweeting, "Bitcoin is an anagram of TBC, the boring company. What a coincidence." "Yes," was Musk's reply. Dogecoin has added almost 10% since then, although Musk's ability to move the Dogecoin price appears to have diminished recently. The San Francisco-based Coinbase, set to go public in a blockbuster $100 billion listing, currently supports 49 different cryptocurrencies to varying degrees, but has so far declined to list the Shiba Inu-inspired Dogecoin. "Why are you so dogmatic?" they ask. Musk later tweeted, adding, "I'm getting a Shiba Inu." Interest in Dogecoin has exploded as Bitcoin, by far the biggest cryptocurrency, with a total value of around $1.1 trillion after its latest surge, has climbed thanks to a combination of Wall Street institutional adoption, corporate interest, and retail traders piling into the market. Elon Musk's Tesla set the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market alight when it revealed it had bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin last month. Dogecoin, a 2013 clone of Bitcoin that was described as a joke by its creator, soared at the beginning of February, climbing to a total value of over $10 billion thanks to a meme-based campaign that counted the likes of billionaire tech investor Mark Cuban, rock stars and YouTubers among its supporters. However, Musk, who was voted Dogecoin's CEO in a 2019 Twitter poll, has previously said all of his Dogecoin-related tweets are not meant to be taken seriously. Quote, "Occasionally I make jokes about Dogecoin, but they're really meant to be jokes," unquote, Musk said last month, speaking during an interview on the invite-only chat app Clubhouse. End of article. As we've stated previously, Bitcoin's rise will increase the value of other cryptocurrencies, and we're now beginning to see this in practice, even against those currencies that people previously mocked, or those cryptocurrencies. With gold and silver hovering around $1,700 and $26 respectively, one has to ask, when will the Bitcoin bubble burst, and what will happen to precious metal prices then? We suspect, though, that will not be a matter for the very near future, certainly not in the weeks to come. However, as we all know, what goes up eventually has to come down. What do you think? Do share your thoughts. And before you go, just a reminder, we published our gold and silver weekly update for the week ending the 12th of March yesterday, and that is now up for you to view. And also, if you haven't already done so, do subscribe to our channel, not forgetting to press the bell sign so you're notified of our videos as and when they are published. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and share it on social media. Please ensure that you have subscribed to our channel and press the bell sign so that you are notified of any future videos. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe either as a free or paying member for regular email updates and offers. Disclaimer. Illuminati silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.